One runs her own company, another's a housewife, another's divorced and raising her children on her own. They're among nearly 2,000 women who wear face-covering veils in France, and they're worried. On Wednesday, French Justice Minister Michel Alliot-Marie presented a draft law to the cabinet banning Muslim veils that cover the face. It's the first formal step in a process to forbid the wearing of such veils in public places. The minister calls the measure a clear but firm reminder of French values.
In our democracy, people live with the face uncovered, respecting women's dignity. Democracy is also about equality between men and women. Living in a democracy enables us to have an exchange with someone through one's eyes and one face.
But the women who wear the veils don't see the situation that way. About a half a dozen took the rare step of meeting with reporters to explain their views, including Kenza Drider of Avignon.
We have the right to wear what we want. It's our right. If a bill is to be passed tomorrow at the Parliament and then in September, we will not be outlaws. It is this law which should be outlawed. It is the state and the government that has decided to start this controversy, that are giving French citizens the right to be aggressive with us and to become Islamophobic.
Divorcee Najat vowed if the law passes, she won't take off the veil, but she won't leave France either. Karima, who runs an import-export company, said her veil is an integral part of her.
I am 31 years old and I have been wearing the niqab since I was 16. If you calculate it right, you will see that I've been living most of my life with it. Today, it is impossible for me to take it off. I would even say that I don't know how to take it off.
The bill is to go before Parliament in July. There's little doubt it'll become law, although it could be amended, and the text calls for a 6-month delay before the measure takes effect. Women who defy the ban would risk a €150 fine.